It's the best thing could happen. Come sometimes when you lose your way, it's really just well, because you find yourself